Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do the unboxing. As you guys know from the title, it is the James Charles Eye Makeup Brush unboxing. So without further ado, let's get to that.
Audio Jungle.
Also, if you are new here, my name is Shraddha. I make videos about makeup and skincare and hair care. So if you are interested and if you like my stuff, please subscribe to my channel. It will be free and it will make me happy. So please do it. And now let's get to the video. So this set comes with 13 eye brushes and let's open it. So it is kind of this makeup brush tub. I love it. It is a really good place to store your brushes. It really comes handy. You can just throw it in your vanity or anything. It is not going to open because it comes secure. So it is really helpful. Now let's open it. And so now I am going to explain the 13 brushes one by one and show you their uses. So if you want to know how to use this brush, just stick with me. So the first brush is this oval camouflage brush. Now let's open it. So this brush is like oval shaped and it is synthetic brush, so you can use it to conceal your eyes. Like you can use it on here or as well as here. So what it will do, it will not absorb the concealer. Instead, it will place the concealer on the very spot that you want to, and it will give coverage. So it is really useful for concealing your eyes, like on upper lid or under eyes, whatever you want. Now about the second brush, it is also a flat brush but not the concealing one. It is kind of a slightly fluffy so that you can apply powder or eyeshadow on it. So let me show you. It is this kind of a brush. You can see that it is not as thin as the earlier one. It is quite thick. The bristles are quite dense in this compared to the first one. So it is for powder users. You can also apply powder after concealing, and you can also use it on your eyelid to apply any shinier shadow, or even you want a single shadow eyeshadow, then you can use it for whole your lid. So it comes really handy if you are someone who only applies one color to your eyes. It is your brush. You just have to apply and it will cover the whole area really easily. So this is your powder brush or eyeshadow brush, but it is flat. It is not a blending brush, so keep that in mind. Now moving on to the third brush. This is a blending brush, but a bigger blending brush that actually you can use for creating your crease. So this is the crease brush, like bigger crease brush. So this is really fluffy. You can see that it is really fluffy. So what you can do is you just swoop it and you directly create a crease. It is that much easy because it is quite big, so it will cover the whole area really easily. But if you have like really small gap in your like upper eye, don't use this because otherwise it will give you the whole eyeshadow instead of just giving a crease. So if you have like more space, then you can use it for creating your crease. And I'm talking a lot of about crease, though if you don't know how to create a crease or what is crease or how to apply eyeshadow, I have one video for beginners eyeshadow class, so I'll link it down in the description box or somewhere here, so just check it out. If you are someone who love doing eyeshadow but you don't know how to do it, you can. So the next brush is also a blending brush but not as fluffy as the earlier one, and it is quite firm and not that much tapered. So let me show you. So this is the brush. It is flat, as you can see. It is not the same like tapered shape. It is flat but it is still fluffy. It is not the steady or sturdy firm one. It is fluffy. So what you can do is you can also use it to create your outer corner or to apply precisely in your crease. So sometimes what happens that you don't want to spread the whole color in your lid as well as you want that blended, so you can use this brush and just precisely apply the eyeshadow at the very spot as well as have it blended. So this brush can do it. So it is the firm blending fluffy brush. So now I am moving on to the more smaller brushes, like precise brushes. So our fifth brush is this small tapered blending brush. You can use this blending brush in your like really precise areas like inner corners, or you want some minor color spreading in your outer corners, then you can use it. It comes really handy when we are talking about precise application of eyeshadow. Now moving on to the sixth brush. Now the sixth brush is really tiny one. It is a flat and very tiny shadow brush. You can use it to apply the eyeshadow in your like lower lash line, and as well as at the same time it can blend and give a smoky lash line effect. It is really helpful for smoking your lower lash line, and also you can create a smoky wing liner with this. You can directly apply black or brown or whatever color liner you are doing and just smoke it with the eyeshadow. It is really precise, so you can easily do it with this. So it is really helpful in smoking upper or lower lash line. So this is the flat smoking brush. So the next brush I am going to show you is this flat concealer brush. Now this is also the thin synthetic kind of brush, so it is for concealing. How you can use it? So what you can do is, if you have like a smudged eyeshadow or smudged eyeliner which you wanna fix, what you can do is you just can apply concealer like this. So it gives a precise concealer application because of the really sharp edge. It is really sharp and it is really thin, so it will not mess with other eyeshadows or other your makeup. So it is kind of a correcting concealing brush, you can say. So the eighth brush is the mini flat blending brush, which I have shown you earlier. It is the bigger version and it is the smaller version. I think you guys can see and compare them. So it is the same use as this. So you just have two options, and if you want a precise application, if you want to blend in some inner corners, it is really comes handy because it is quite big, so it might mess up your inner corner, but it will not. So it is the smaller version of this big brush. So now the next brush is this. It is a medium chisel fluff brush. Now what you can do with this brush, you can create a very precise application of eyeshadows, or you can use it in inner corners. It is kind of a multi-purpose use. Wherever you want to use, you can also use it in your lower lash line because it is eyeshadow brush. It is made for powder brushes, so you can also use it in blending or smoking out like 2 to 3 colors. If you are applying in your lower lash line, you can definitely do with this. So it will give you a precise smoke actually. So this is kind of a handy brush, like you can use wherever it fits because it is kind of very small. Like you can see that it is very small, so you can use it in your inner corner crease or creating a small eyeshadow here, or apply or smoke out your lower lash line. Whatever you want to use, you can use it. So now the next brush is the eyeliner brush. It is M250-O. Now this is really a precise eyeliner brush. Let me show you. It is like this, and it comes with a protector like this, so that you don't mess up. Like if you put it in different brushes pack or anything, it does not get messed up. So it is quite thoughtful. You can use it to create your wing eyeliner or your bat wing eyeliner. Any eyeliner you can create. It is really precise, so the chances of getting a good wing liner increases with that. So brush makes a difference. Remember you guys, it is not always about having like 3 to 4 brushes. You have to have more brushes for more purposes, right? So brush makes a good difference. So if you are someone who can afford, you can buy it, and if you are someone who cannot afford, try to make money with your passion and then buy it. so that you can grow with your passion. I hope you guys grow. So like, yeah, so that was my blabbering. So yeah, this is the eyeliner brush. Now the next brush is this firm shadow brush. It is M124. It is something like this. It is their firm shadow brush. Now you can use it to apply eyeshadows. So about this brush, I have shown you the bigger version of this. Let me show you. It is this brush. Remember I told you that you can use it for like one swoop and whole of your eye is done. It is that one shadow brush. So it is a smaller version of that brush. You can literally tell it is the smaller version of that brush. So what you can do is you can apply like 2 to 3 color or anything you can do with this. It is bigger, so you cannot do with this. You have to be very careful and precise, but this guy, it will make a difference and it will make your work easy. So the next brush is this spoolie one, like it is an eyebrow brush. Let me open it first. Wow, this also comes with a like protector. You can see it is a protector so that I don't mess up the shape of the brush. So it is really thoughtful and really prone to destroying my makeup and my brushes, so it is really good for me. So it is like, let me show you, it is an eyebrow shaping brush, or you can use it to create an instant wing with this. Yeah, you can do this with this kind of a shape of like a slanting brush. And also it comes with a spoolie. Spoolie is really helpful to like comb your eyebrows as well as fill it. It is really helpful. So this brush is, you can use it for like your eyebrows and creating an instant wing liner, if I may say. And the last brush, it is not the eyeshadow brush. They actually named it angled nose contouring brush, and you can tell by the shape that it is actually for nose contouring. It is really precise, like it actually fits in the places and you can contour your nose really well. And with that, I have completed the total unboxing of this 13 brushes, and I have told you all the uses you can do with this. So this is the brush set. I'm just going to close it. So that's it about the video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you guys can never miss any update from me. And also I'm on Instagram, you at shraddhu.parmar. You can also go and check it out, my other work. Like I do more eye makeups and updates of my life, everything there more. So let's get connected on social media also. And that's it about this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.